Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Loox subscription on Shopify. If you're looking to streamline your Shopify account or exploring other options, canceling your Loox subscription is a straightforward process. This is especially helpful if you're auditing your apps, reducing monthly expenses, or testing alternative review solutions. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. There, you'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and give that a click. The Settings area is where you can manage various aspects of your Shopify store, from shipping settings to billing information. Today, we're going to focus on managing your subscriptions, which is an important habit for keeping your store efficient and cost-effective. Once you're in Settings, your next move is to select Plan. This section provides an overview of your current Shopify plan and gives you access to detailed billing information. It's the hub for managing what you pay for on Shopify, including third-party app subscriptions. Regularly reviewing this area helps prevent paying for apps you no longer actively use. After selecting Plan, you'll see the option labeled View All Subscriptions. This is the place where all the third-party applications you're subscribed to via the Shopify App Store will be neatly listed. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it gives you a clear snapshot of your recurring costs. Not only does it help in managing your subscriptions, but it can also be useful for budgeting and understanding how various apps contribute to your store's functionality and performance. When you open the View All Subscriptions page, scroll through to locate Loox. As a popular third-party review app, Loox will be among the list, along with any other applications you subscribe to. This comprehensive list makes it easier to keep track of each subscription's status, billing cycle, and renewal dates. Now, once you've found Loox within this list, you're just a few clicks away from canceling the subscription. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation process. It's usually a smooth procedure, and you'll often receive a confirmation prompt to ensure that you indeed want to proceed with the cancellation. This little safeguard is there to make sure that no unintended cancellations occur and gives you one last chance to review your decision. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully canceled your Loox subscription on Shopify. This process should help you maintain a more organized and streamlined list of active services, tailored specifically to meet your current needs. As a best practice, consider checking whether Loox data, such as reviews or widgets, need to be backed up or removed from your storefront after cancellation. If at any point you decide to revisit or restart your subscription with Loox, you can always resubscribe through the Shopify App Store. Remember, keeping your subscriptions in check is an essential part of managing your online store efficiently. By regularly reviewing what apps you use and ensuring they align with your business needs, you can enhance productivity, improve site performance, and potentially save on unnecessary costs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance on managing various aspects of your Shopify store, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, tips, and optimization strategies.